Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the popcorn machine today. Get that theater popcorn taste. There's also products that you can use. I got another video to that. Check out the link in the video. That'll show you all the products that I'm going to use along with the links in that video where you could purchase these items. And these items, I'm telling you, the products will give you also that theater popcorn taste. Don't go out and use the oil from the store. That stuff that you could pop in a pan. You want to get a little bit of the professional stuff. It's going to cost you a little bit more. It's not bad, but the supplies that you get, it's going to last you a long time, especially for the normal person. If you're making popcorn once or twice a week, it's going to last you quite a long time. And if you make it less, even longer. But here I go. We're going to show you how to use the popcorn machine. This machine is called the Superior Popcorn Company, made by that. I got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in this video showing you where to get this popcorn machine. And it's quite simple. You got the 3 buttons here. The 3 buttons show the warmer, the stir, and the pot heater. Now, first things first, it actually gives you instructions on there on the screen, and you also come with instructions in the video. I mean, not in the video, but in the box. In this, you get these. I think there's about 50 here. Awesome popcorn bags. I haven't used them yet. And we got 3 of the Superior plastic containers. They are nice, but over time, they're starting to, I've only had this for a while, and they're already starting to fade. The lines are streaky. I don't know what to call that, but yeah. But they're nice to have. They're pretty cool. If you don't want to use paper all the time, you got a nice little thing. It looks like a popcorn bag. So first things first, you want to open this baby up. And you want to turn your warmer on first. This turns the light on. That's the first thing you want to do. Get that light nice and warm. Now that light is going to get hot, so make sure you keep your hands away from that. The other thing you don't have to worry about in this machine is everything else getting hot. The glass does not get hot. This does not get hot. So if you have little kids like I do and they go to touch the outside, it's not going to hurt them. The only thing that really does get hot, like I said, is the light. And then once you use and pop the popcorn, the kettle gets really hot. So do not touch that. And it even says on there, if I can try to get, do not touch. So it does get hot. Otherwise, the outside, even the glass, nothing else gets hot. So that's a nice thing. First things first, you got the warmer. Like I said, you turn that light on. You don't want to start the stir yet or the pot heater. You got to measure out your oil, put your oil in, then you start the pot heater. Let me get my oil real quick. All right, now the cool thing about this machine is it comes with measuring cups. You got these measuring cups. One you measure the kernels with, the other one you measure your salt with, and the other you measure with your oil. Now you want to put your oil with the big one, especially if you're going to do about 4. This is an 8-ounce kettle. If you're doing about 4 ounces and you're going to do about 8 ounces, which I'm going to do 8, do 2 scoops of the kernels in this, and then do a whole scoop of the oil in the big scooper. I'll show you. All right, I got my oil used. I'm using coconut oil, and you want to put this in the kettle. This is the bigger scooper. Yeah, it kind of looks disgusting, but you want flavor, this is what you're going to want. Put that in the kettle and start the warmer. There we go. We got the oil inside there. And so we're ready to turn our warmer on. Now, you leave the stir off right now. You just turn the warmer on. The pot heater, I should say. Turn that on. That'll start warming up. Just close that. Or you know what? You can even leave it open. You can kind of see when the oil will start to melt. When that oil is melted and it's starting to steam up, you'll start seeing steam come from the pot. That's when you're going to want to enter your kernels and your salt. Then you turn on your stir and get things going. I'll show you that in a second. All right, it's been about 3-4 minutes. It's as long as it takes. And as you can see, I'm starting to get steam. And once you get that steam, that means it's time to add your kernels and add your salt. There it is, nice and steamy. And everything inside's all melted. So add your kernels, which you're going to measure 2 of these. This is just plenty. And you want to turn your stirrer on, okay? Turn that on. Now the stirrer's moving around inside. Add your popcorn. Add the kernels inside there. And then add your salt. Slowly add the salt in. It's going to mix around. Slowly mix it in. The stir is going to move it all around for you. There you have it. Close that up. Close the door. And let the magic happen. You'll see the steam on the windows, that's normal. And you're going to have steam, which helps make the popcorn. Honestly, it really makes it taste better. Keep the doors closed while it's popping. You don't want to wait till the last popcorn kernel pops. You're going to want to turn it off. Turn the pot heater off and turn the stir off. As you can hear, it's already stopping. It's getting slower. Thinking it's pretty much done. I'm going to turn the pot heater off and the stir off. You don't want it to burn if you leave it on too long. Let it finish kind of the few popping, and then you go in there and you dump it all. A little steam in there. Oh man, it smells so good. And then you just want to dump it. See, it's nice and empty. That's it. And you have fresh popcorn. Now, if you want to, you can add some salt to the top of that. What the salt that you've used to pop it with, you can add a little bit more. Sprinkle that over that, and then put butter and put it in your container, whatever your bowl that you'd like to use. In this video, the popcorn kernels that I used Members Mark. It's a 50-pound bag of kernels that come at Sam's Club. I shook all the some salt over it, and now I'm just kind of mixing everything up. And then, whatever leftover kernels, which there really aren't many, you can get caught in the catcher down there. And then you can kind of keep the popcorn under the warmer. And you can make as many of these batches as you want, and it'll pretty much fill up and they'll stay in there. And then you fill your bag up. And well, there you have it. I used my butter that I like to put on the top. I'll show you the products that I use, the oils, the salt, the butter, and the kernels, everything in another video. Please subscribe, and I'll put a link to this video, the next video, in the end of this, right here in the corner. And then I will also put that link down in the bottom. So check it out, please subscribe, and check these products out, because exactly what's going to give you that theater popcorn taste. I mean, honestly, this stuff tastes amazing. And I mean, it's really, it's good, really good. Please subscribe, check out my other videos. Thank you.